Okay, today we are going to build an AI voice agent which is going to work for every businesses, and let's see how it works.
Hi, I'm Sahil from Analytics. How can I help you today?
Hey Sahil, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How can I assist you today?
Sahil, I want to book an appointment for tomorrow. My name is Sasikant Hathi and my email address is aiworldax@gmail.com and my mobile number is 1234567889. And my purpose of meeting is I want to discuss for AI automation for my business. And date will be tomorrow, like 15 December, and time will be 3 to 4 p.m. That will be fine for me.
Certainly, I can help you with that. Please give me a moment to book your appointment. Great, your appointment to discuss AI automation for your business has been successfully booked for December 15th from 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Paris time. A confirmation email has been sent to airworlds@gmail.com with all the details, including information on how to reschedule if needed. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Thank you, Sahil, for whatever you did.
You're most welcome. I'm glad I could help.
Thank you so much. So you just see like the AI voice agent has booked my meeting like within a minute. So we will understand what is the mechanism behind it and how it is working. So let's come with me and we will first of all go to the n8n. So here is the mechanism. So here is the template of that AI voice agent, and this template will be provided in the description for free. You can just get it from there. So in this template there is nothing like it's not so complicated. There is a one webhook AI agent, webhook return like which platform you are going to use for calling agent. I am going to use the ElevenLabs, and you will see here there is a Google Gemini. I used the Google Gemini model. You can use OpenAI Cloud with you, whatever the API you have. Like you have a OpenAI API, you have a Cloud API. You can use that model also. This tool will make sure that the confirmation email is sent. There is a calendar where your appointment is going to book. This is the calendar check. Like it's a tool where it is going to define, like it is going to check the specific slot is free or not. It is going to define like a specific slot is free or not. If it is occupied, it is going to answer like no, this slot is busy. It will provide some other slots. You can book a meeting in these slots. It is actually a knowledge based, like whatever the detail you want to put about your company, like whatever the information you want to give to the users, you just put it there. You just save in this Google Sheet. So now we will see how they are working, like what are the parameters we have to fix and how we can develop the ElevenLabs AI agents. That is also so simple. It's not so complicated. So we will just open the ElevenLabs. You can just go in ElevenLabs. You can just sign in with any Gmail ID, and it will give you the 10,000 credits. And it is more efficient to check and to test your templates, your AI voice agents, and it is working or not. What are the problems are coming? It's more efficient. Like you will get 10,000 credits. You can make 50 to 60 calls. After that, you have to take the premium version. So here is there is a creative AI platform. There is a agent AI platform. You just go to the agent AI platform. There is a new agent. Just click on that, and you can create a new agent. If you will create on this new agent, I'm just opening. I have created 2 agents. I've already created 2 agents, and you didn't have to do lots of things. Like there is a system prompt. I will provide the system prompts also. So don't worry about that. Just put this system prompt. Whenever someone is calling to your agents, then what will be the first message your agent is going to say? So I've just put it. Hi, I am Sahil from Analytics. How can I help you today? You can choose the language. In which language you can choose the voice model also. There are lots of voice model you can choose. Like there is lots of voice model. Whatever you want to choose, you can choose from here. And which language, you can just add the language also. It's not like that your agent is going to answer in one specific language. You can add on so many languages, like many more languages. And I will show you something like how agent is working in different language. And you have to choose the LLM model, which model you want to choose. I have chosen like Gemini 2.5 because it is the most efficient model and you will get it free. Like you didn't have to pay for anything. It is working excellent. So in most efficient model, you can choose it and you can go for it. In last, you can whatever language like you want to add on. I am just adding all the language, like which language I have to add. Just see, I add a lot, like all the language, whatever the language ElevenLabs is providing to me. I have added all the language. Like my voice agent is going to talk in like I think 50 to 60 language. After that, you just have to add this tool. This tool you have to, like, what is this tool? This is going to connect your n8n template, n8n workflows to this ElevenLabs agent. And from how you can connect it, let's see how you can connect it. So you didn't have to do many more things. You just enable these two options like in conversation, like your agent should have the features to in the conversation to detect the language, in whatever the language users are comfortable to talk. In that specific language, your agent is going to talk with them. So you just have to add the tool. Just click here like webhook, and you didn't have to do, just put some name, whatever the description you want to give, like I did in this sales agent. Use this tool, take action upon a user request. And most important thing, like you just have to choose this method, like you have to choose the post method. You can get this URL from n8n platform. Like from n8n, you can just click on the webhook, and here you can just copy it from here. Nothing, you didn't have to do many more things. You just go and paste here. And after that you didn't have to do lots of things. You just have to choose the data types that is going to be string. You just you just write in identifier as a request. On request basis, your agent is going to work. LLM prompt, whatever you want to give the LLM prompt. This is, I just gave the prompt, you are Sahil, friendly, efficient and solution oriented customer as support agent for Analytic, an AI automation company. Your purpose is to assist a customer with product questions, account issues, troubleshooting, general inquiries. But you just have to make it understand what you are going to do for the customers, what is your role, and you can save on. Like that's it. After that, what you have to do, like ElevenLabs and n8n workflows is connected with each other. So now where you have to come, like you have to connect your post call webhook here also. Like you have to select a webhook, create a webhook. Similar process you have to repeat. Like enter the webhook name, enter the valid URL, and just create it. I have already created, so I will not create it again. And after that, your agent is ready to go. You can just go in the preview. Before doing this, like before you executing your workflow, you have to set some parameters in our n8n workflows also. So we will come to the n8n workflow. What they are going to do, like we will start from webhook. In webhook, we didn't have to do lots of things. Like you are using it for test purpose. You can generate the test URL. You can use it. If you want to make it live, like for your clients, for any businesses, then you can use it production URL. For method, like you just have to choose the post. You just choose using respond to webhook node, and that will be done. You didn't have to do anything more in webhook. We will come to the agent, AI agent. This is the most important thing. Like you just copy from here. You can get confused here because it depends on different various. In this defined below, like here, this is the body request. Like on the request basis, it is going to work. And goal, and this is the most important thing. This prompt, system prompt of AI agent. Whatever your customer supports, handling or answer the question using your customer agent, handling appointments, selling and knowledge based queries. Your 3 main tasks: answer the question, is knowledge lookup to checking identity bookable. System prompt I have given. I will provide this prompt also in the description. You can just copy from there. You didn't have to do lot for. I will not make your work like so hectic. You can just copy from here. Either you can just modify something like I choose the Paris time from wherever you are belonging, from Nepal, from India, from USA, from wherever, from any country you are belonging. You can just choose that time according to that, and you just change some basic things, and the rest of thing will be like same. You just have to modify according to your need. I just gave this prompt according to my need, but you can give it like according to your need. So this is our system prompt for AI agent. You can just copy from here. You didn't have to do a lot of thing in this, and done. It's ready to go. We'll come to the again Google Gemini model. I already told you can use the OpenAI cloud, like any model from like whatever you have, like you have API of OpenAI, you have API of cloud, you can use that. I have an API of Google Gemini, so I have used the Google Gemini model. You just go into this and you just put there your API key. Your search engine is going to connect it to this workflow. It's very simple. It's not so complicated job. You can choose the model, like I have choose the model Gemini 2.5, and it's working perfectly, and that's it. You didn't have to do anything more. In this confirmation email, actually what it does, like it will send a confirmation mail to the users. Whatever the users will provide the mail ID, it is going to send the confirmation mail that your appointment has been booked, like on this specific date, on this specific time. That's it. And you didn't have to do a lot of things. You just have to add your Gmail account, like which Gmail account you have to just sign in with any. I already signed in, so I didn't have to do again. Just sign in whatever mail ID you want to connect with this workflow. Just connect it with, and you just tool description will be automatically, operation will be sending, and you just choose, like I'm showing something, like you just do this. In n8n we have like some features, we have some perks, we have some extra features. Like you didn't have to write all the command by yourself. You just give the model whatever the model is going to decide what are the action I'm going to take. This is the best feature I like about n8n, and everything will be same. Like it will also defined automatically by the model. It will defined automatically by the model. Message will be also defined by the model. The model is efficient to write whatever the message they are going to need. And we'll come to again calendar also, but in calendar you just have to do the same thing. So in which Google Calendar account you want to connect, just connect it with. Same process, create a new credential, just go and sign in with it, and your Google Calendar will be connected. Resources will be event, operation will be create, because it is going to book an appointment. That's why it is going to create something. It's going to create some event. And you copy from this, like you copy this from AI start string from in, like you can just copy. If you will try here, like if you will give it this task to the model is not so efficient, like it is going to create a event in your Google Calendar. So you just have to give the prompt manually. So you just have to give once, like while you are creating it. So I have just already given all these whatever things. Then copy from here. And another, like this is a like calendar, but it's a tool actually. It will check the slot is free or occupied. This tool is responsible for checking the specific on whatever the time user want to book a meeting or appointment. It is going to check that a specific time is free or it is occupied. So you just have to give the description, like what this tool is going to do. Check the calendar availability by querying events in time range. Provide after this, and if time starts of time window and before end of the before time of the window, and so it is going to check the, like you just have to copy, you just have to give the description what is your tool is going to do. Actually this prompt is about how your tool is going to work, this tool how it is going to work. So it has been just explained. So you didn't have to do a lot thing in this. You just to go and copy from here. And this is also that is same like calendar. You just have to copy the after and before, and just give the same command. You didn't have to do anything more. Again, you didn't use that it shouldn't be done by the model, because model is not so efficient because I have already tried by the AI. It was not so sufficient to check the slot is free or not, either to book the appointment in my calendar. That's why I have to write the prompt manually. And we'll come again the reasoning tool. Reasoning tool is nothing. Reasoning tool is like it is some thinking machine. Use this tool to think about something. It will not about new information or change the database, but just thought to the log. Use it when complex reasoning or some case memory is needed. Actually this tool is responsible for like what are the service your company is provided, how many works your company did, with how many client your company has worked, and it will do nothing. Like it is not going to change the database. It will just say the information from the database. And where is the database? I am going to show you. The database is this Google Sheet. In this also you didn't have to do a lot. Like you just sign in with your Google account. Like whatever Google account you are using, just try to use like same Google account in calendar also, in this Google Sheets also, for sending a confirmation mail also, because it will be easy for you. You didn't have to sign in with different account. You just use one account and done. You didn't have to just save, and I have already connected, so I didn't have to connect it again. Tool will be the set automatically resource from where the information the workflow is going to extract. Your voice agent is going to give the information to the users. That will be from the sheet. Operation like get rows, again the URL will be defined by the model, sheets will be defined by the model, and done. You didn't have to do a lot of things in this also. It's just simple. After doing all of these things, you can just go and try it from here, like ElevenLabs, and in from preview either a test AI agent, you can just call and the execution will be done.
Hi, I am Sahil from Analytic. How can I help you today?
Hi Sahil, how are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you for asking. How can I assist you today?
Actually, I want to know about your company. What are the service your company is providing?
Analytic specializes in AI automation systems, digital services, and workflow optimization tools. We help businesses streamline their operations and enhance efficiency through innovative AI solutions.
Can you speak in Hindi?
नमस्ते, मैं आपकी क्या सहायता कर सकता हूँ?
मुझे आपकी कंपनी के बारे में जानना था. आपका कंपनी क्या क्या सर्विस प्रोवाइड करता है?
हमारी कंपनी एनालाइजिंग एआई ऑटोमेशन सिस्टम, डिजिटल सेवाओं और वर्कफ्लो ऑप्टिमाइजेशन टूल्स में विशेषज्ञता रखती है। हम व्यवसायों को उनके संचालन को सुव्यवस्थित करने और अभिनव एआई समाधानों के माध्यम से दक्षता बढ़ाने में मदद करते हैं।
Okay. Can you speak in Arabic?
क्या आपके
مرحبا، كيف ممكن يساعدك اليوم؟
Actually, okay. Thank you.
على الرحب والسعة. هل هناك أي شيء آخر يمكنني مساعدك به اليوم؟
So you saw like how this is efficient. Like I just took like half an hour to build all of these things. Not half an hour. Like to understand, in first you have to go with the whole n8n and ElevenLabs and all the like systems, whatever the platform I am going to use. You will need like some time to understand all of these things. But once you get it, you can build this kind of workflows like in half an hour, 1 hour. 1 hour will be sufficient to build it. So you just saw like how sufficient they are talking in different language. Like in I talk with them Arabic. I don't know Arabic. I talk with them Hindi. I know little bit Hindi. I talk with in English, like as usual. English is default language of the system. So you can see like how much time it is going to save for the businessman. You can see like this is the like it will not get frustrated answering the same question. It will not get tired. It will work for 24/7. So actually my point is like most of business nowadays why fail, like they are not lack of customers, they are lack of growth. Can't grow as fast their customer wants, as fast their customer increased. They are using that same manual works, they are using that same old process. Then AI is not about removing the team, cut off the team. AI is about the saving the time. That your AI is going to do all the boring works, like answering the different same question. Like whenever you are calling in some call center, every time the call agent have to answer the same questions. But that can be done by the AI. Rather than answering the same question, rather than and doing the boring stuff, your team can build a relationship with your clients. Your team can build a relationship with your customers. That is going to more efficient and more sufficient for businesses. It will help you to grow in a businesses. Not only I just build a one voice agent. You can build like a lead generation, product management, data analysis, like some PDF handler, some how many product you are selling, how many customer came, like on what date, on what specific date, how many customer came, what they review, and data which product sold the most. So you can see all this data. Like you didn't have to do anything. You just have to build one-time automation. You just have to build one-time system, and every time you can see like with some monthly maintenance, like it is 5 times cheaper than an employee. Like how it's an employee charging $5,000. It will cost monthly, I think, like $200 to $300 to maintain it. And once to build this kind of system, it will cost like $2,000 for the businessman, and that will be done. Like if some businessman is paying for the same jobs, like for a 1 year of a employee, like for 1 year, 12 into 5, 60,000. AI can do the same jobs in like 24 in under $5,000, like for a 1 year. So I think this is the most sufficient and most efficient also for the businesses, for any kind of businesses. Not only this, our company Analytic is specified in developing AI agents with the beautiful UI. You didn't have to see all this backend. You didn't have to see all this n8n platform, like where the node have been connected, from where the information will be come, what the parameter you have to save. You didn't have to see all of these things. Our company will build for you like whatever your company needs, what kind of work you want to automate, what manual works are bothering you, what manual works are taking lots of time. So our company is going to be responsible for that. Our company is going to automate your works. For that you can just connect with us in given link in description box, and we can discuss. Our company is giving the free AI consultation to all the businesses. So you can just come and we have a consultation. We can discuss how can Analytic will help you to grow. This was the purpose of AI automation. So you can use it, you can try it, and you can automate your business, and you can grow smarter than your competitor. So just grow your business with Analytic. Whatever the problem you are facing to building these systems, either in your businesses, you can consult to us. You can just put it down in the comment box. Either you can just book a consultation meeting. It's free of cost. And keep watching my video, keep learning. And for today this much only. See you in the next video.